Very well.
Well done.
You had a big group.
Do you think it helped to do the active learning bit at the beginning? So to explain to people the benefits of active learning, and then to do some of your other activities using active learning. Do you think it helps to get the message to people that this is an important way of learning?
Sure.
So that's a good way to start these sessions.
It was very beneficial for they prefer the active learning too. They asked why all the teaching is not like this.
Right.
I think it was important to explain that benefit, like when they had the second documentation was to order all the the audiovisual, the talk, the conference, and then they had to think, and then just tell why they were thinking, and then when she gave them the answer, they were kind of surprised, and then the message just they got it, because we had the same exercise in the post-assessment, and then everyone answered. And it was something they had to understand that, and then by doing all the activities, so because most of them that maybe they will be the future teachers, so it was important to just give time for this active session before going and using one of all these tools in the different sessions.
And the students like Larissa's seed project, with the one with the seeds, the water, and the different stages of growth?
It was we had a botanist with us who explained good for.
Amy had a case study that's actually about responsible science that makes people think about this is what we do, but this is what we should be doing.
Yeah, sure. No, but that's a fantastic illustration, that project for scientists, about the importance of discussion and clarifying.
The tendency in our university is to change. With the massification, now we think about e-learning, and why not active learning, and why not active learning by e-learning? It will be very important. And something is that I thank you very much, and I thank also my colleague for successful collaboration. We are a good team, and especially I thank Leila for her involvement with us for the tree workshop. She was always with us, and it was a pleasure.
It's good that you've been asked to do one in the School of Medicine, Faculty of Medicine.
Yeah.
They have heard about it. How did you get asked to do this?
Yes,
one colleague.
Do you have some participants from first workshop organized in
No, we say that is a second edition.
They applied.
They applied, but we tell them that is a second edition. And we said the first year PhD student and master student to be awarded in the good time, not at the end of their thesis.
Yes.
Before writing, you must
Sure.
know what is plagiat, how to avoid it, how to avoid the falsification and publication, and to understand their right, and their.
You're having to dig deep with your English. Are there any other questions?
Do you think they have possibility, for example, to type connection between first participants of first workshop and participants in the second workshop? It will be interesting to work together.
C'était, ce qui était sûr, c'est que juste après l'annonce, il y avait un monde fou qui postulait. Parce que déjà, il y avait donc
la question, est-ce qu'il y ait une possibilité de faire la connexion, le groupe qui a été formé, le premier workshop.
C'est sûr, nous avons toujours les coordonnées, c'est des gens que nous connaissons, que nous côtoyons. Nous avions même des enseignants qui étaient formés avec nous pendant ce workshop-là, on pouvait faire appel, mais puisque la condition c'était de facilitator must be the mandatory.
And because most of them were from the same university, they know each other. And then, we have like 5 laboratories, and then
In biology.
and
Five
because it was
departments.
restricted to biology. So for each lab, we had like 2 person by lab, last first edition, and this year 2 more. So they are the same team, so they are completing each other, and then we will have connection.
One last question. How will you deal with the problem about time? You have not enough time. The people wanted to discuss that. So how will you do it? What would you do the next time you do this workshop?
In the beginning, the project was a 2-day workshop. But as we had the problem of time, we must travel from Mohammedia to Rabat and from Rabat to Larash. So we did this on a day and a half. Next time we did it on 2 days or more.
Do people want more time to talk? This is the message.
Maybe less sessions, and then focus on like 2 topics, and then take more time, setting cases, and let people discuss and have group work. And also the idea is to have something sustainable, and not through workshops, and because workshops you can do once a year, like truly, have the time or the disponibility of everyone to bring them together. So I think we had, since the MENA too, we included some sessions in the curriculum. So we're teaching
Biosafety and biosecurity.
and in the master, but like for the undergrad, we're teaching plagiarism and falsification, fabrication. So it's something that will stay, and for everyone, like for the 160 students per year. So it's something again for us, not just like start from the beginning. And then we are thinking to do something more, on the curriculum, PhD students. And with the workshop that will continue once a year or 2 a year, we'll see. But for sure, the time really, this is what we said in the MENA too. The time was an issue. Like, we never have enough time. We always want to have more time.
But these are things that will be with people for the whole of their career. So you're just introducing people to a topic. So you hope they will go away and read more and talk more and so on. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Very good. Thank you.